Xanax, anti-anxiety agents, anxiolytics, benzodiazepines, adlyburylcyiniphenidor. The active ingredient in Xanax is alprazolam. What is Xanax and what is it used for? Xanax is a prescription medicine used to treat the symptoms of anxiety, panic disorder, and anxiety associated with depression. Xanax may be used alone or with other medications. Things to know before using Xanax. Before taking alprazolam, tell your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to it, or to other benzodiazepines, or if you have any other allergies. Before using this medication, tell your doctor or pharmacist your medical history, especially of severe lung breathing problems, liver disease, kidney disease, personal or family history of a substance use disorder, glaucoma. This drug may make you dizzy or drowsy. Alcohol or marijuana can make you more dizzy or drowsy. Do not drive, use machinery, or do anything that needs alertness until you can do it safely. Avoid alcoholic beverages. Talk to your doctor if you are using marijuana. Before having surgery, tell your doctor or dentist about all the products you use. Older adults may be more sensitive to the side effects of this drug, especially loss of coordination and drowsiness. These side effects can increase the risk of falling. Alprazolam is not recommended for use during pregnancy due to the potential for harm to an unborn baby. Consult your doctor for more details. This drug passes into breast milk and may have undesirable effects on a nursing infant. Therefore, breastfeeding while using this drug is not recommended. Consult your doctor before breastfeeding. Drug interactions may change how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. Keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Some products that may interact with this drug include kava, sodium oxybate. If you suddenly stop using this medication, you may have withdrawal symptoms. To help prevent withdrawal, your doctor may lower your dose slowly. Withdrawal is more likely if you have used alprazolam for a long time or in high doses. Tell your doctor or pharmacist right away if you have withdrawal. Though it helps many people, this medication may sometimes cause addiction. This risk may be higher if you have a substance use disorder. Take this medication exactly as prescribed to lower the risk of addiction. Ask your doctor or pharmacist for more details. How to use Xanax? Follow your doctor's instructions while using this medicine. Take this medication by mouth as directed by your doctor. Dosage is based on your medical condition, age, and response to treatment. Your dose may be gradually increased until the drug starts working well. Follow your doctor's instructions closely to reduce the risk of side effects. Treatment for patients with anxiety should be initiated with a dose of 0.25 to 0.5 milligrams given 3 times daily. The dose may be increased to achieve a maximum therapeutic effect, at intervals of 3 to 4 days, to a maximum daily dose of 4 milligrams, given in divided doses. The lowest possible effective dose should be employed and the need for continued treatment reassessed frequently. The risk of dependence may increase with dose and duration of treatment. The successful treatment of many panic disorder patients has required the use of Xanax at doses greater than 4 milligrams daily. In controlled trials conducted to establish the efficacy of Xanax in panic disorder, doses in the range of 1 to 10 milligrams daily were used. The mean dosage employed was approximately 5 to 6 milligrams daily. Among the approximately 1,700 patients participating in the Panic Disorder Development Program, about 300 received Xanax in dosages of greater than 7 milligrams day, including approximately 100 patients who received maximum dosages of greater than 9 milligrams day. Occasional patients required as much as 10 milligrams a day to achieve a successful response. It is not known if Xanax is safe and effective in children younger than 18 years of age. What are the side effects of Xanax? Drowsiness, dizziness, increased saliva production, or change in sex drive ability may occur. If any of these effects persist or worsen, tell your doctor or pharmacist promptly. To minimize dizziness and lightheadedness, get up slowly when rising from a seated or lying position. Remember that your doctor has prescribed this medication because he or she has judged that the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. Many people using this medication do not have serious side effects. Tell your doctor right away if any of these unlikely but serious side effects occur. Mental mood changes, trouble speaking, loss of coordination, trouble walking, memory problems. If this video was helpful for you, you can like the video and subscribe to the channel for support. I wish you healthy days.